Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the cobblestone stitch. Isn't this incredible? That texture is so much fun. This would make for a perfect washcloth. Or because it has a nice flat back, you could do a case, a bag. You could do a wearable if you wanted something with a super fun texture. And this only takes 2 stitches, single crochet and triple crochet or treble crochet, whatever floats your boat. So let's hop to it. For your cobblestone project, you want an even number of foundation single crochet. If you are going to do a standard chain, then you want to chain an even number plus 1. Do a single crochet into the second chain from your hook and all the way across, so that you end up with an even number of single crochet for your first row. Then you will chain 1 and turn. In our first stitch, we will do a triple/treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. I always have to do a triple crochet very slowly, so that will be very helpful for this tutorial. And then you will do a single crochet in the next stitch. That pulls down that triple crochet to make our little cobblestone. And then after your single crochet, you will do another triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only, yarn over, next 2 loops, yarn over, and last 2 loops. There we go. And another single crochet. That's the pattern that you'll follow all the way until the end. A triple crochet, and then a single crochet, triple crochet, single crochet, one last triple crochet, and you will end with a single crochet. And then chain 1 and turn. Our first row of cobblestones. So cute. For this next row, and anytime that you have cobblestones facing you, you will do a row of single crochet. That's it. You'll go into that first stitch, which is the single crochet of the previous row. The next stitch, which is a triple crochet of the previous row. And you'll keep doing that until the end of your row. And our last single crochet into the top of our first treble crochet. Then you will chain 1 and turn. For this next row of cobblestones, we will actually start with a single crochet. And then we'll do our triple crochet. And then a single crochet. And just like that other cobblestone row, we'll just alternate between the 2 until the end. The difference with this row, though, is that we will be ending with a triple crochet because we started with a single crochet. So because of that, we don't have another stitch to do a single crochet on this row to make that cobblestone. So you will actually do a slip stitch in the same stitch as your triple crochet. This will not count as a stitch. It is simply to bring down that triple crochet to create the cobblestone. So you could actually tighten it a little bit here just to make that loop disappear so that you don't count it as a stitch on that next row. And then you'll chain 1 and turn. And we have our second row of cobblestones. Then, since we can see our cobblestones, we're going to do another row of single crochet. We're going to start with that treble crochet that we ended with. That will be our first single crochet, because remember, this itty bitty little slip stitch does not count as a stitch. And then the next single crochet, and then into the next treble crochet, and all the way across, just like we did. And we will end with a single crochet in the top of the single crochet from the previous row. Then chain 1 and turn. So we started this row of cobblestones, our second row of cobblestones, with a single crochet. So we're going to start our next row of cobblestones with a triple crochet. You'll just alternate between rows 2, 3, 4, and 5, all the way until your desired length, keeping in mind how you start your row of cobblestones. You'll either start it with a single crochet or a triple crochet. So just pay attention to that so that you can get the nice diagonal, the nice alternating, the nice alternating cobblestones there. So to begin this row, we will do a triple crochet. Up, and then a single crochet. And that's it. That's the cobblestone stitch. Super, super simple for beginners. I really hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!